Good evening. I'm going to explain now third experiment, the explorative data analysis. First, we are reading our data sets here. These are all the data present in our data set. So we'll go with first question. So our first question is to remove the senior management column. So this is the code we are using. Drop is used for removing the column here. With the column we have given the senior management column to remove it. After that, in place we have used in place for we have used in place for we in place tells pandas to drop a column. Okay, after in place in place makes the changes directly in existing data frame. We no need to create the new one. So this is the output after we are creating the after we are removing the senior management. So these are the data present in the data sets now. After that, we are removing the duplicate rows. Here the code rows drop duplicate in place is equals to true. So we are removing the duplicate codes. It removes the duplicate rows. So here it check for the rows that are in this code. It check for the rows that are exactly same as others and drops them. It here in place true is equal used for used to change remove the thing. It tells pandas to remove the existing one as the duplicating one. And here in place true ensures that the original data frame is updated again and again. So after removing duplicates, this is the remaining data sets we have. So third question is we have to rename one column bonus to incentive. Yes, we have to rename the column bonus to incentive. So we are for renaming we have using the rename df.rename columns. This is the so here first column should be the column present name. So what we are updating to the incentive. So in place true, basically the in place true is used for updating the data frames. So in every code we are using the in place true. Here after printing bonus incentive, the in here after renaming bonus to incentive, here the incentive has been changed from bonus to incentive. The data is changed here and print df data. So we are just showing the top 5 of the columns there. That's it. And after that, we are going to drop the rows with missing values. So we are going to use the function called drop NA. Here we have used here drop NA that we used. In place is equals to true. Here in place true is used for the updating the data frame. Here then again we are using the print the drop the missing value. So after dropping the missed values, only one thing is that only one row is available. After that, central tendency like we are going to see the mean, median, mode for the experiences. So for the experience column in the data set. So this is the experience column. So we are going to see the mean, mode, median of the data set. So for using that, here we are going to give the mean mode. So mean is actually average of the all experiences values. Median is the middle value which when started, and mode is most repeated value to get the value from the series. So here we are going to see the central tendency. So we are going to measure in the experience. So mean of df. So by measuring the mean, we use the mean. So mean is 13.68. In this code is given here. So after running the code, the output shows like this. So here the mean median mode. So here the data frame here the print statement tells that we are going to apply the mean in data frame experience in the column experience, and the function is mean. Same it goes for median. We are going to when the median print median. After that the data frame it goes for in the choose thing from experience. After that it goes from the median function. So it follows like this. The after running the output will be shown here. So next question is we are going to do the standard variability and variance and range. Same it follows the previous one, but it differs from the previous one, like range and variance. So we are going to print the standard deviation, and from the experience, so the STD, mean, median, mode, it is the already declared function. So we have no need to give the formula here. So it is already declared in the pandas. So we are giving print standard deviation in the data frame experience and standard deviation. So we are giving STD here. So after that variance, we are going to show the variance in the experience data frame, and we are going to print the variance here. After that range, we are going to range in the experience one and a max value. So max minus minimum. So range here the formula is used. Max minus in data frame minimum. So this is the range formula. After running the code, the output will be showed like this. So after this, seventh question is we are going to calculate the interquartile range. The interquartile range is, so Q1 says that 25th percentile of first quartile. Q3 says that 75th percentile of third quartile. So basically IQR formula is Q3 minus Q1. Okay. So we are going to the data frame will be checked in only in the experience. So the IQR is Q3 minus Q1, where Q1 is 25 percentile. Percentile is difference from percentage. So 25 percentile of the first quartile, and Q3 is 75th percentile of the third quartile. Basically it differs from percentage and percentile. So this is the formula Q3 minus Q1. So after running the interquality range of our experience is 8.0. And seventh question is we are going to calculate the z-score for experience. So this everything like z-score, standard deviation, and the mean, mode, median is the already declared one in the pandas and numerical Python in that library. So we no need to declare again here. So next question is we are calculating the z-score for the experience, the experience data frame. So the data frame experience here it disclaims z-score for the data frame experience. Here already it is described, and we are going to print we are printing again then z-scores of the experience, and we are showing that how we are showing what are all which data to the experience should be printed here. So we have given head, and the head represents the top five, or if you print a normally head, it represents top five of the table. So it G score of the top five data sets for the experience. So here is the normal experience, and this is experience C. So we have given print df the normal experience one, and we have given the print experience Z. It is printed and the output has been given here. So the ninth question is we are going to plot the heat map for the correlation. Okay, here see the same print, we are printing the correlation of the, we have given the print just printness, and for heat map we are just going to say here sns.heatmap. It draws the heat map. This is the command to draw the heat map. After heat map, inside what are all the salary, experience, age, these are all present in the correlation formula. So these are all heat map we should present here. So CORR, it explains, it calculates the correlation between the columns. They say that how strongly they are related. So here AN and OT true. It shows the numerical values inside the boxes, like this one. So minus 0.35. Due to this we are using this. And CMAP, it is the cool. So CMAP is the like cool is the color thing. So using that, and we are plotting title to correlation heat map. Here we are giving the title as correlation heat map as PLT title. After that PLT dot show, it shows the heat map. That's it. The output has been given. After 10 question, we are adding the two new rows. Here the question goes. We have to giving new rows equal thing. We are going to add in the data frame. So first name will be Zion, and the gender will be name. Team will be fan. So like how it has given is each columns they have given first name Zion, and second as gender they are given female. They have given salary as amount, and the age, and team and age and experience. So they have added like two new rows. After adding two new, we are giving what are all should be. We are defining each row as a dictionary. Here in dictionary, we are defining each row. After that, df dot append we have been using. Append is used for to add both rows in a both rows in a data frame. Here we have used the concurrent. Concurrent is also the we are adding both rows in the data frame. Here after that, ignore index true is equals to true. It is used for to add both data to the data frame. Okay. Sorry. The pd.concurrent it is used for adding the both data set, adding these data to the data frame. Ignore index is equals to true. It is used for reset the indexes automatically. If we are adding this to the indexes will be changed automatically. So it will be resetting it to resetting the index. That's it. See, look here, the added Xeon and Francis have been added. And next question is, we have to fill the missing salary value with mean. Here, here in this question, we are so filling the null values. So we are using the function filling the null values in the salary mean. So this is given here. After that, we are printing that, and we are showing